Tonight, the search continues for a missing Connecticut mother. They have been searching a trash plant in Hartford where investigators spent a second day looking through the garbage there for the remains of Jennifer Dulos. Police ended up there after detectives found clothing and a sponge with Jennifer's blood on it in trash bins around Albany Avenue in Hartford. And some of that trash was picked up and brought to this trash plant.
It's not pleasant work. It means going through literally garbage, step by step, using heavy equipment, using cadaver dogs to search, and then hand searching whatever might in fact be needed to be looked at even closer.
Jennifer Dulos is a mother of 5. She was last seen 12 days ago. Police have been searching several Connecticut towns as well as one in New York for any evidence that could help find her.
And as investigators continue their search, Jennifer's mom is seeking custody of her 5 children. Today, we spoke with a family court attorney to learn more about what's likely to happen in this case when it comes to the children. Channel 3's Aaron Connolly is here now with those details for us tonight. Aaron?
Well, Mark, since Jennifer went missing on May 24th, her 5 children have been living with their grandmother in New York City, and now she's looking to make sure it stays that way.
On Monday, 85-year-old Gloria Farber, the mother of Jennifer Dulos, filed a motion to be awarded custody, at least on a temporary basis, of the 5 children, ranging in age from 8 to 13. Attorney Mike Budlong, who has been practicing family law for nearly 50 years, says grandparents in Connecticut and other states tend to have very limited rights to their grandkids.
It used to be that grandparents could seek visitation with their grandchildren without having what we call a parent-like relationship. Now they have to actually have a parent-like relationship as a basis to seek some kind of further contact.
In the motion, Farber's attorney asserts just that, stating she has been active with the children since they were born, and they have regularly stayed at her New York City apartment. With limited options in this case, Budlong feels she will likely get temporary custody of the children.
They will place the children, I'm sure, with the grandmother, unless there's another viable aunt or uncle, and I don't know the factual situation.
In terms of permanent custody, he says things could get a bit more tricky. One factor, the grandmother's age.
On a long-term basis, at 85, are you going to be really chasing around, a bunch of little kids and making sure they get to the soccer practice or this or that?
While Fotis Dulos has tried to get custody as recently as last week, the court has decided that effective immediately, there will be no contact between him and the children until further notice.
The kids become the victims. They are the absolute victims of this kind of litigation. And they may never recover. They may never recover at all. And it's so sad.
It really is so sad. The children's nanny for the past 5 years is currently living with them at Farber's apartment and will continue to be their caregiver. We did ask Budlong whether she could get custody. He said no, since she is a legal stranger to the family. Aaron Connolly, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.